Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. Want to bring you another original design. This is the Ratatouille knot, a Pixar classic. I haven't seen this knot done yet, so let's go ahead and do it. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put in a dimple. We're going to do a cylinder. We're going to go over once. We're going to go over twice. We're going to go over a third time. And then we're going to fold this in half. And then we're going to loosen this up right here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my tie over the top, and then I'm going to come down through this, down through here. I'm going to have to push it. There we have that. So now I'm going to leave this folded in half. I'm just going to come over here to this side. I'm going to loop it over and then down like this, and I'm going to push it with my index finger right there. I know my hand's in the way. And what it's going to do is it's going to create an ear here. We already have that ear over here, but this is going to give us the mouth. Right there. So it's going to come down like that. So you're just going to push it down, fold it in half, and then as it's coming through like this loop, you leave it like that. So this is the mouse head, 2 ears, and kind of the nose, the snout, and this is his chef hat. Now I'm doing it with a purple tie because that's just the first one I got out of the closet, but you can do this with any color tie you want, probably. Multicolor would be good, any really color would be good. So there you have it. So there's the chef, Ratatouille, with his chef hat right there. So there you have the Ratatouille. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. If you want to see this picture, go to Instagram, SimmonsEssentials. You'll see it. Peace and God bless.